To transfer money using Banco Sabadell fixed deposit. Start by understanding what a fixed deposit is. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that provides a fixed interest rate for a specific period of time. In this case, it is offered by Banco Sabadell, a Spanish banking institution. First, ensure you have a fixed deposit account with Banco Sabadell. If you do not have one, you can open it by visiting a Banco Sabadell branch or through their online banking platform. You will need to provide required documents and follow the account opening process. Once you have your fixed deposit account, you can initiate a transfer. Log in to your online banking account or mobile banking app. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section and select the fixed deposit account as the source of funds. Choose the transfer type, which can be a domestic transfer or an international transfer, depending on the recipient's location. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, account number, and bank details. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid any transfer issues. Next, enter the transfer amount. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your fixed deposit account to cover the transfer amount. You may also need to specify the transfer currency, especially for international transfers. Review the transfer details carefully, including the recipient's information, transfer amount, and any applicable fees. Confirm the transfer and authorize it using the required security measures, such as a one-time password or biometric authentication. After confirming the transfer, Banco Sabadell will process it according to their transfer timelines and policies. You can track the status of your transfer using your online banking account or mobile banking app. To avoid any issues, ensure you comply with Banco Sabadell's transfer limits and requirements. Also, be aware of any applicable fees or charges for transfers, especially for international transactions. In summary, transferring money using Banco Sabadell fixed deposit involves having a fixed deposit account, logging in to your online banking or mobile banking app, selecting the fixed deposit account as the source of funds, entering the recipient's details and transfer amount, reviewing and confirming the transfer, and tracking its status. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently transfer money using your Banco Sabadell fixed deposit account.